Have you accidentally overwritten an important file on your PC and now need the previous version back? Whether you replaced an important document, photo, video, or another file, there are a few ways you can try to recover an earlier version using backups and Windows recovery features. In this video, I'll show you how you can recover replaced files on Windows using File History, Google Drive Backup, and, as a last resort, Windows System Restore. I'll also show you what you need to have available for each method, so let's get started. First, select the overwritten file or folder, right-click on it, and select Properties. Now, click on Previous Versions. Here, you will see all the available previous versions of the file or folder, along with their date and time. Select the version you want to recover and click on the Restore button. The selected file version will be restored to its original location on your PC. If you want to save the recovered file in a different location, click the drop-down icon beside the Restore button and select Restore to. Now choose your desired destination and click Restore again. The selected file version will then be saved in your chosen location. Make sure your external drive containing the file history backup is connected to your PC. Otherwise, Windows will not be able to access the previous file versions. If you didn't turn on file history but have already created a Google backup of your PC's data, you can use that backup to download a previous version of your overwritten file. Here's how to do it. Open Google Drive in your web browser and click on Computers, then select My Laptop. Here, you will see the specific folders that you have selected for backup. In my case, I've set up the Downloads folder from my laptop's File Explorer. Right-click on the file you want to restore on your PC and select File Information. Now, click on Manage Versions. Here, you will see the available previous versions of the selected file. Click on the three-dot icon next to the version you want to recover and select Download. The selected file will be downloaded to your PC. Open the downloaded file, and this is how you can use Google Drive Backup to recover the overwritten file on your computer. If a large amount of data has been overwritten on your PC, and you already created a restore point before the files were overwritten, you can try using this method to restore your files to an earlier state. Go to the search bar on your PC's taskbar and search for Create Restore Point, then click on it. Allow Windows to make changes to your PC, and a small System Properties window will appear on your screen. Click on the System Restore button and then select Next. Now, you will see all the available restore points along with their date and time. Select the restore point you want to restore on your computer and follow the on-screen instructions to complete the restoration process. Once the process is complete, your PC will be restored to the state associated with the selected restore point, which may allow you to recover the overwritten files on Windows. And keep in mind that this method only works if the required restore point was created before your files were overwritten or deleted. Also, restoring your PC to an earlier restore point can undo changes made after that restore point, including installed applications, system settings, and other changes made to your computer. Therefore, before attempting this method, I strongly recommend copying your current important files and data to a different external drive. This gives you a backup of your current data in case you need it after the restoration. So, these are the methods you can try to recover overwritten files on your PC. Start with File History or Google Drive if you have an earlier backup available. If not, you can try System Restore as a last resort. But make sure to back up your current important data first, because restoring your PC can undo changes made after the selected restore point. I hope this video helped you recover your overwritten file. If it did, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to Data Recovery Advisor, and turn on notifications for more data recovery tutorials. Thanks for watching.